Guys, how you guys doing today? So today, guys, we're gonna do some more boots. So if you guys see these is the ones that I did. And then guys, with these you just move the fur in different ways, and that's how to be. And then the back, I left this part out and up. So guys, we're gonna make this real simple. So I took the piece and I measured it to how I want it on the boot. And then guys, look and see which direction you want your fur to go in. So I measured it, guys. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put it right here. Guys, don't put it close to the zipper because you don't want the zipper to not zip, okay? So once I get it right there, and please don't burn yourself. Put it right there, guys. Don't put it on the actual close to the zipper, guys. You don't want the fur stuff getting cut up in the zipper. So put it right there, but not so close. And then we're gonna do this other side. So let me come and do this front piece. But yes, guys, I like making these boots. So I did get the fur from Harrison Fabrics out in Brooklyn Park. And guys, when you do it, try not to make it tight. Try not to make this tight, because if you make it tight, you won't be able to fit the boot. So that's why I actually stuffed the boot, so that I don't make it too small. So we're going to pull it a little bit, guys. I need to put another glue stick in. And guys, it's real simple. And then we'll do the top piece. And yes, guys, I like them a lot. I like it. So you guys can go online. What's the other one? The other fur place? Joann's. Joann's have fur and stuff too. So you guys can go to Joann's. So pull it. But guys, don't pull it again where it is going to what's the name? So I'm gonna finish gluing this part, guys, and I'm gonna come back because I don't have a lot of space and I don't want my phone to get overcrowded. All right. Okay, guys, so now that I'm back, so now that we got all that part done, guys, so now we're gonna take it, and then if you guys see, I got the lines going this way. So now I'm gonna take it and start gluing it down. And remember, guys, don't make the boot smaller when you're doing this. You definitely don't want to make the boot smaller so that your leg can't get up in there. So that's why I stuffed the boot, so that don't happen, guys. So take it around. Take it around. See, I'm meeting it. And back here, guys. So if you guys see back here, I'm leaving this part so that you still have the buckles. And then this part, guys, I'm going to take it and glue it down this way. So it's a real simple process, guys. So then I'm going to go get my favorite jacket, and I'm going to try this on for you guys. Okay? Uh-oh. Wait a minute, I got to see. I think I'm supposed to stop it right here. I'm not for sure. Let me see. The buckles. Okay, go under. Okay. I want to make sure I'm doing it right on each side. So I stop the buckles. Okay. We don't want to do it wrong. So, right there. Right there. So, I got to cut off any excess, guys. And, yeah, that'll be it, guys. And I'll show you guys what the finishing results look like. So, I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye. Guys, watch out, Gino. This is the finishing result of the boots. Guys, you see the boots? Can you see them? But guys, This is one of my favorite jackets. Now, I didn't make this jacket, but this jacket I am just truly in love with, guys. But I'm not dressed. I just wanted to show you guys also this jacket. This jacket, oh my God. I'm talking about this is one of my favorite jackets. Like, I truly, truly love it. But if you guys can see, the buckles is still in the back. And let me show you guys. So, let me turn it this way, guys. So when you're dealing with the boot and you want the fur to go, you switch it in different ways, guys. If you want it to go, see? You comb the hairs in different ways, but this is what they look like. This is what they look like, guys. So, as always, guys, thank you guys for watching, okay, guys? Thank you guys so much. So, guys, make your own little furry boots. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here is a couple still shots of the boots. And I like these a lot, guys. So, yes, guys, you can pick the fur up at Harrison Fabric out of Brooklyn Park if you're in the Minnesota area. If not, go online and put in fur, and you can find any fur you like and do your boots with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.